Start with a magic circle. Chain 3. One treble crochet, yarn over twice, insert the hook into the magic circle and pull up a loop. Pull through first 2 loops, the next 2 loops, and finally the last 2 loops. That's one treble crochet made. Now make one chain 3 picot, chain 3, and insert your hook into the first chain stitch and make a slip stitch, this one. That's one picot stitch made. 2 treble crochets, yarn over twice, pull through 2, pull through 2, and finally the last 2. One more treble crochet, one double crochet, chain 2, and make a slip stitch into this magic circle. Chain 2, one double crochet, one treble crochet, yarn over twice, chain 3, and make a slip stitch into this ring. That's one side completed. Now we'll be making the other side. We have not yet closed the magic ring. Chain 3, one treble crochet, yarn over twice, one double crochet, chain 2, and make a slip stitch into the ring. Now the last ring, chain 2, one double crochet, two treble crochets, yarn over twice, one more treble crochet, chain 3 picot, chain 3, and make a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. One treble crochet, chain 3, and make a slip stitch into this circle. Now pull this yarn in to close the gap. Pull it tight and you can weave off this yarn. Now you will have 2 strands of yarn left, one from this magic circle and the one which you weaved off. Now tie a knot over here. and cut off this excess yarn. These two I made with embroidery floss. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.